Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll be talking about an important airdrop in the crypto space, PHAROS, and this particular airdrop guys has raised up to $8 million and backed by companies like Hack VC and 9 other different companies. Alright, now this particular project PHAROS, the airdrop is confirmed, just like you can see right here. The status of the airdrop is confirmed and it's going to take us less than 19 minutes just to participate in this airdrop. All right, and you might be wondering, when did this airdrop start? What are the chances of claiming this particular airdrop? Now this particular airdrop is confirmed, like I said already, and it started about 7th of May 2025. That is the incentivized testnet. Then new activities came up on the 26th of June 2025. So it's actually a new airdrop you don't want to miss out on. All right, and in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to maximize your earnings in this particular airdrop. Now over here is their X account, just in case you want to check out the details of their airdrop campaign. You could just come up here, follow them here on X, and as well follow up the details of their airdrop campaign. All right, and in case you're joining us for the first time or not yet subscribed, kindly do well to give this video a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. Then you go ahead and smash the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell to all, so you always get notifications of important videos like this. All right, now to maximize your earnings on this PHAROS airdrop guys, I'm going to give you a guided approach on how to do that. Now if you scroll down a bit on this page, you discover we have two different activities. We have the incentivized testnet and the new activities. Now we're going to participate in these two portals and maximize our earnings. And for this one, that is the first one, incentivized testnet, all you have to do guys is just to come up here and complete task. PHAROS launched the testnet with a confirmed airdrop within the testnet. We can do swaps, add liquidity, invite friends, and complete social tasks. So basically all you're doing guys is just to swap, add liquidity, invite friends, and then to complete social tasks, and that's all. And to do this guys, all you have to do is just to make use of the link I placed in the description of this video. Is going to lead you straight to the website. And once you get over to this page guys, the first thing you have to do is just to go ahead and connect your wallets. Now any wallets will be able to participate in this PHAROS airdrop, but then there is an offer right here. Connect your OKX Web3 wallet, complete task, and boost your levels. OKX booster campaign ends in 17 days time. So if you actually make use of OKX Web3 wallets, you stand a chance of having your task activities and then airdrop campaigns boosted by OKX Web3 wallet. Now it will be necessary you connect your OKX Web3 wallet, and to do that, come up here guys and click on this one that says connect. All right, now you're going to see a list of options and installed extensions you have. Now I'm going to make use of my OKX Web3 wallet. If you don't have an OKX Web3 wallet extension, you could just go ahead and install one for yourself. All right, now I'm going to select this, so I'll come up here and click on this one that says confirm once again. All right, I'm fully connected right now, and every single day guys, all you have to do is just to log into this particular website and claim your check-in. Today is Monday, and all I have to do guys is just to claim the one for Monday. I'll click on something that says check-in, and you can see that I've successfully claimed that of Monday guys. The next day, which is Tuesday, I'll come up here and claim this one. Wednesday I'll claim this one, and so on. All right, now remember the aim in this site guys is just to swap, add liquidity, and then do some social task. All right, now these are the social tasks you have to do. All you have to do guys is just to come up here and follow them on X. But before then guys, you have to give them access to your X account. All right, so go ahead and click on this one that says authorize app. And once you're done binding your accounts guys, all you have to do is just to come up here and complete your social task just by following these guys on X and coming back here to verify. To do this, come up here and click on this one that says follow. And then over here on this page guys, it's very simple. Click on this one that says follow PHAROS network. Once you click on it, it's going to follow automatically, and if you head over to the page, come up here and click on this one that says verify. And you can see I've successfully verified this particular social task. Go ahead and repeat the same for this particular one, then repeat for this particular one. Then you also go ahead and join them on Discord, and that's just it for the social task at the moment. Now the other ones that says swap and as well add liquidity, all you have to do guys is just to come up here and request tokens. All right, this one that says swap, come up here, click on this one that says swap Zenith. Now once you get to this page guys, all you have to do is just to first of all go ahead and connect your wallet. All right, now I'll click on this one that says connect, and then I will use my MetaMask wallet. In case you have problems using OKX wallet because of the massive amount of persons using OKX at the moment, is a bit hanging. All right, so you can either choose to make use of your MetaMask wallet or other wallets. All right, now once your account is connected guys, the next thing is to swap some Pharo tokens to any of these tokens you can select right here, ranging from wrapped Pharo tokens, USDT and USDC. All right, but then if you look very well, you discover at the moment I have 0 Pharo tokens. All right, so I will need to claim these Pharo tokens before I'll be able to use it to swap for all these tokens listed down here. That is the main aim of this swap, which is one of the functions of this particular site. All right, now to get these Pharo tokens, I'll be leaving a link for you guys in the video description that will help you to get some Pharo tokens. Or better still, you could just come up here and check out your home page. Once you are on this page, scroll down a bit, you're going to see this one that says claim testnet tokens. All right, now once your account is connected right here, it's automatically going to appear right here. So all you have to do is just to come up here and verify this captcha that says I am not a robot. And remember, the amount of Pharo tokens you're going to claim in 24 hours is about 0.02 Pharo tokens. All right, now once you're done with this verification, just go ahead and click on this one that says next. All right, so go ahead now and click on this one that says claim now, and you can see test tokens received. Now I will not be able to repeat this until after 24 hours. That is to allow others also claim these Pharo tokens and use it for this transaction. All right, now I will head back to this Zenith and refresh it a bit to know whether these amounts of Pharo tokens I claimed will appear right here. So I'll just quickly refresh now. Okay, now you can see guys, I have about 0.2 Pharo tokens right here. I can choose any token of my choice right here to swap into. Okay, let me just select Tether USDT and I will type in the amount of Pharo tokens I want to use for this swap. Let me just say 0.05. All right, I'll be swapping 0.05, but let me just reduce this a bit, 0.005. Okay, let me just use about $6.66 to swap this for USDT. All right, so quickly let me wait for this to fetch the conversion rate, and once you're done with that, you go ahead and click on this one that says swap. So the next thing guys is just to go ahead and confirm this transaction in your wallet. Click on this one that says confirm and wait for it. So now guys, you can see that at the end of the swap, I have a total of 0.19 Pharo tokens. And then if I as well check out the token I swapped it into, which is USDT, you discover that I have about $4.37 worth of USDT right here. And this is how to participate in the swapping of these Pharo testnet tokens. Remember, this particular airdrop is confirmed already, so you must get this airdrop once you follow these simple processes. All right, and over here guys, on this liquidity page, I wouldn't want to say much about this liquidity pool, so all you have to do guys is just to come up here and check it out. I think it's still having some problems trying to load up this page, but all you have to do guys is just to focus on participating in their social activities. That is these ones you're seeing right here. Participate in them, check in daily, and then make some swaps. All right, make some swaps right here, and every other detail concerning this deposit section, that is this liquidity section, is going to come soon. All right, now the second part of this particular airdrop, that is the second portal, this is new activities, testnet new activities. I'm going to talk about these recent activities in my next videos. All right, so all you have to do guys is just to stay close by giving this video a thumbs up, as well subscribing to this channel so you always get important updates like this. All right, now the one we just discussed right now is this one that says incentivized testnet, and how to take advantage of it. Follow all these processes and you definitely claim the airdrop. Remember, in our upcoming videos guys, we're going to talk about this particular testnet. All right, so stay close and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.